Hi guys, in this podcast, I will talk about my favorite season. As we all know, we have four seasons in this country. We have all of them: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. I would like to start this podcast emphasizing that every season is beautiful and unique on its own. Every season has its own purpose in nature and also in our lives. If you ask me what's my favorite season, I will answer it's autumn. And by the way, guys, what's your favorite season? First of all, I like autumn because my birthday is in autumn and I love celebrating my birthday. Second of all, I like autumn because it's a harvest season. Everything is ready for gathering, for picking up vegetables and fruits, all kinds of fruits are ready for gathering. So I just feel like that there's an abundance of fruits and vegetables in autumn, and it's also very, very fresh. I also love eating vegetables and fruits like apple, corn, potatoes, and etc. I feel like this is the season of change and transformation. We see that trees and leaves, grass are changing their colors and they are getting ready to face their ends, I guess. So it's kind of a sad season, I would say, because I feel like those falling leaves are saying to us that everything has an end, nothing is permanent. Also, in autumn, I love walking in the rain with umbrella and with warm clothes, of course. I also think that some people might not like autumn because in autumn weather changes a lot, and also in the morning it's cold and in the afternoon it's hot. So you are forced to take off your jacket and carry it with you. In the evening, it gets cold, so you gotta put on your jacket again. I also like spring. Why spring? I just think that it's the birth season. You know how everything is waking up from their sleep in spring. When trees are blooming, you can get a majestic view. In addition, I think that people might not like spring because of rain, also because they might have an allergy to pollen. Next is summer. I love summer too. I like swimming in summer, but it's just not my favorite season because I don't like hot weather. Those days when it's scorching hot, so you are either at work or at home. Next is winter. I'll be honest, winter is my least favorite season because in the past I used to get sick a lot in winter. So maybe I associate winter with sickness, with cold, I guess. I love seeing how, environment everything that surrounds us gets covered with white snow blanket. I also like watching snow in clear weather, how it shines bright and flickers in your eyes. I think it just looks very wonderful. So let's wrap up our podcast for today. If you have any questions about the video, just leave a comment and I'll make sure to answer. And see you next time. Bye bye.